designed sitting room featuring various metal chairs. Welcome to our exploration of the versatile and elegant metal chair. Today, we will delve into its significance in home decor, particularly as a dining chair, luxury chair. Metal chairs have become a staple in modern interior design. Their sleek lines and contemporary aesthetic make them an ideal choice for any room in the house. Whether you are looking to enhance your dining area or create a relaxing nook in your sitting room, metal chairs offer both style and functionality. In the dining room, metal chairs provide a striking contrast to wooden tables, creating a harmonious blend of materials. Their durability ensures they withstand daily use, while maintaining their elegance. Available in various finishes, from polished chrome to matte black, these chairs can complement any dining. For those seeking a touch of luxury, metal chairs can elevate your space. Designers often incorporate intricate details and unique shapes, transforming a simple chair into a statement piece. Imagine a beautifully crafted metal chair as the focal point of your sitting room, inviting guests to relax. Metal chairs are not just about aesthetics, they also offer comfort. Many designs include plush cushions or ergonomic shapes, making them perfect for unwinding after a long day. A metal chair in your favorite reading corner can provide both support and relaxation, enhancing your overall home experience. The versatility of metal chairs extends to their design. From minimalist to industrial styles, there is a metal chair to suit every taste. Incorporating these chairs into your decor can add a modern touch while ensuring your space remains. In conclusion, metal chairs are more than just functional furniture. They are a design statement that can transform your home. Whether you choose them for your dining area, as a luxury accent, or for relaxing, please don't forget to subscribe to channel